You ladies made a while. Coming under the railway distributors. Out to the other side. Loud and windy. Behind this stone wall out of this wind. I had to get up on a stile and it nearly blew me over. Oof. But the view is fantastic. Bandelier Forest down there. Wind turbines, right spot. Gurno's hut on the Hyson Trail. Let's go. So we've been following this creek for about 5-6 k's now. It's called the Never Never Creek. We're at the Bandelier Weir, and then that would have collected water to channel it through this channel. Aqueduct. Goes a very long way. Reservoir. Bandelier Reservoir. Spalding. So staying at the Spalding Hotel. 3 nights actually. So 1 rest day plus it's going to be able to drop me off at Trig Point, walk back, and then drop me off there again so I can walk on to Hallett. Isn't that fabulous? I've just left Whistling Trig and heading back to Spalding on this cold and overcast day. Fog bound, so no views, and I'll stay another night in Spalding. There we go. Yep. There's the old railway station. So just here at the road, just got dropped off by Fletcher from Spalding Hotel, and going to start the walk to Hallett. so windy and cold up there. Coming down, we've got no breeze at all. So that was Mount Brian. I made it halfway. Mount Brian is cool. Goodbye, school. So good morning. Just leaving Mount Brian East School on this glorious day. Clear skies. Might even get hot. Old girl. No one's living there. Or they have an open door policy. What a renovator's dream. This is a Black Jack hut. I don't think anyone's there. Let's go up the stairs. Table, like a kitchen bench, and that's for pop your food in or spare food. Broom, all that sort of stuff. But the bunks, I've got this bubble wrap. Good morning. Cold. I've got the jacket on. Just take off my gloves to go over, so all the warm gear is on, but I am warming up going up this hill. Hopefully I'll make it to Burra. So I left Black Jack's hut and off to Burra. Yep, it's raining.
Royal Exchange.